Hello everyone, my name is Karel Pua and I'm going to discuss two topics, API testing tools and how to create APIs. As you can see, I have 10 examples here of API testing tools. The first one is Postman. Postman is an easy to use platform for testing RESTful APIs. It allows users to send HTTP requests like GET, POST, PUT, delete, etc. and analyze the responses. Postman Collection help organize APIs for automation and collaboration among teams. It supports scripting for test automation. And we use this tool for testing a weather app API to ensure correct city-specific forecasts. And an example of app that uses this is X, or formerly known as Twitter. The second tool is the SOAP UI. SOAP UI is specialized in testing SOAP and REST APIs. It includes features like functional testing, data-driven testing, mocking APIs for testing scenarios, and security testing. And we use this tool for testing banking APIs for secure transaction processing. Karaniwang ginagamit po siya ng mga banks, insurance, and telecom industries. The next tool is the Swagger Open API. Swagger is a framework for API design, documentation, and testing. It provides tools like Swagger Editor for defining APIs and Swagger UI for interacting with APIs through a web surface. The interactive documentation allows developers to test APIs without needing third-party tools. And we use this tool for documenting and testing on online learning platforms API. And ang mga karaniwang gumagamit po nito is yung mga public API providers like Stripe, Azure, and Google Cloud. And the next tool here is the Catalan Studio. Catalan Studio is a powerful integrated testing tool for APIs, web, and mobile applications. It supports both automated and manual testing with features like data-driven testing, test suites, and integrations with CI or CD tools. And we use this tool for automating tests for e-commerce APIs. And it is used by QA teams in e-commerce and healthcare. The next tool is Apache JMeter. JMeter is a performance testing tool for APIs, web applications, and more. It simulates heavy user loads to test how APIs handle concurrent users and measures response times, throughput, and server stability. And we use this for stress testing a ticket booking API during peak traffic. And commonly, ginagamit po siya ng mga streaming platforms like, for example, Netflix and e-commerce sites. The next tool is the Rest Assured. Rest Assured is a Java library for automating REST API testing. It simplifies creating and verifying HTTP requests and assertions directly in Java test scripts. Developers can integrate it with testing frameworks like JUnit or TestNG. And we use this tool for testing hotel reservation APIs for booking operations. And ginagamit po siya sa mga Java-based systems in travel and banking. The next tool is Ready API. Ready API is the commercial version of SOAP UI, designed for professional-grade API testing. It includes additional features like advanced securing testing, load testing, and analytics. It integrates with CI or CD pipelines and allows for data-driven tests with extensive reporting. And we use this tool for securing healthcare APIs for sensitive patient data. So ginagamit po siya sa mga industries with high reliability needs like healthcare and finance. The next tool is the POW. POW is a Mac OS exclusive API testing and design tool with a sleek interface. It supports generating API requests, testing, and visualizing responses. It also allows users to manage and share API environments effectively. And this tool, we use it for testing APIs for music streaming. And ginagamit siya ng mga developers of macOS-based products like Apple Music APIs. The next tool here is the Insomnia. Insomnia is a lightweight open-source API testing and design tool. It focuses on simplicity and supports REST and GraphQL APIs. With its straightforward interface, developers can quickly test endpoints and organize API collections. And we use this tool for debugging a social media API to verify that the like and comment functionalities work correctly for posts. And commonly ginagamit po siya ng mga startups and web app developers. And the last tool here is the Karate. Karate is a framework for API automation testing, performance testing, and mocking APIs. Its syntax is simple and readable, making it easier for non-developers to write tests. It supports combining API, UI, and performance testing in one framework. And we use this tool for verifying the end-to-end flow of an API for an online learning platform, ensuring students can enroll in courses, complete quizzes, and view progress. And ginagamit po siya karaniwang ng mga education platforms, banking, and IoT services. So if you are wondering how to choose the right tool, these are the suggestions na na-research namin. For simple API testing, use Postman or Insomnia. For SOAP APIs, use SOAP UI or Ready API. For performance testing, use JMeter. For Java-based automation, use REST Assured. And for cross-platform and end-to-end testing, use Catalan Studio or Karate. So the next topic is how to create APIs. So paano nga ba? First is define endpoints, methods, and data formats. Then choose REST or GraphQL for simplicity. Then use frameworks like Flask, Express, or Spring Boot to build. Next is add basic authentication and input validation. And test with Postman or similar tools. Next is deploy on cloud platforms like AWS or Heroku. And the last one is document and monitor for updates.